Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Lynn. Since you like my shrimp and broccoli in garlic sauce so much, there are over 8 million views. Unbelievably. Today I'm going to make you another easy garlic shrimp recipe. It will be as easy and delicious as the other one if it's not better, but I will let you be the judge. And you can serve with vegetables like broccoli. Let's get started. I'm going to use over 10 ounces of shrimp already cleaned and deveined, thanks to Ray.
Ooh, I'm here.
Yeah. I need one piece of bell pepper, red bell pepper, just a small piece, to complement garlic. Just dice it. And here's garlic, lots of garlic chopped, and some green onions for garnish. I'm making a slurry with potato starch. You can use corn starch, about a teaspoon, and some water. How much? A quarter cup. You know, Lynn doesn't measure. Boil. We'll use this to thicken the sauce in the end. And we also need some oyster sauce. We are ready to cook. Now let's heat up some oil. I'm going to use avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Now let's cook our shrimp. Add some garlic. Take about 2 to 3 minutes till they're all pink. Shrimp almost ready. Just add a little salt. If you realize in Chinese cooking, each step we season, right? Build the flavor.
Wow, it smells so good.
Now take it out. Now we add a little bit more oil, followed by red pepper, bell pepper, lots of garlic. Saute about 30 seconds. Now we add the oyster sauce, about 2 teaspoons, and some water. Wait till this boils. Now combine our shrimp. Wow, smells so good.
It smells amazing.
Green onions. Beautiful color too, right?
Really nice.
Now we thicken the sauce with our slurry. Just turn the heat down. I know you guys like a lot of sauce. Let's make a lot of sauce, right? Don't panic if you think you don't have enough sauce. What do? Add more water. Right?
More water. Yay.
More water. And it's done. Now we serve with broccoli.
Wow, that smells so good.
I already pre-cooked the broccoli. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, my favorite. Shrimp. Wow. That's amazing. Oh my.
Pace yourself.
Shrimp and garlic is the best.
Oh.
And the broccoli.
Broccoli. So garlicky and also sweet, right? From the oyster sauce and also the red bell peppers. Awesome. So simple to make, right? Takes minutes. Please try to make it. Maybe you can make this our second popular video.
Really?
If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.